Y'all sit here telling me I'm the bad guy and I've been doing nothing but my best of my abilities, working, staying out of trouble. And you're a threat, and I'm a threat to society. Really? For a whole year I've been out, and they just not issue a warrant for me just now recently, and I come to turn myself in, and I'm a threat to society. And people, if you fear me for what? From turning myself in and show you that I'm not running for nothing. I'm not running for anything. I'm innocent, and I'm coming to show you I'm innocent by turning myself in. But y'all a threat. You can let go of me, sir.
Stop.
You can let go of me.
You don't not tell me how to do my job.
You can let go of me. Grab my arm too tight.
Guys, relax. Relax.
Relax. Grab me. Look how you grabbing me up.
Back up.
Look how they grab me. I said you let me go a little bit.
You gotta calm down.
I'm calm. I just asked him a question. I asked him if I should let me go a little bit, sir. That's all I said.
Open the door.
That's all I said. When you make somebody cuss you out or anything. You said I'm all tight. You listen up. You know what I'm saying?
So he already waived. So if he
did.
holds it, then it
Just, yeah, I can't.
I'll go talk to him, but.
All right, pause right here. This is a huge moment. The judge is laying out the two pillars of any bond decision: flight risk and public safety. Once armed robbery and lifetime probation enter the chat, the courtroom temperature instantly changes. Quick question for you watching. Should past convictions outweigh current behavior when deciding bond, or should today's facts matter more? Drop that in the comments.
Once again, Judge, understandably, I think I know that he's frustrated. I believe.
I understand. I get it. And I would be too, but I can't. That's just too much blood. It's too much.
it looked like there was
you know what I'm going to tell you, even if he didn't have those bond violations, I'd still be very hard pressed to even,
No, and I was curious because when you brought it up, it was a little bit older, and so I was wondering why.
Do you know, are they going to come get him?
Oh, they're going to get him. I was trying to figure out why now, and they were just having back and forth.
But here's the problem. So he hasn't made bond on those cases. So we're sitting anyways.
Yeah.
He has not?
No.
He said he did.
No, he's not made bond on those cases. He's
been in jail for a year?
No.
He may have, but they revoked the bond.
Ah.
Yes.
So he's sitting there, and I didn't have the heart to tell him right now that the 14 days is not going to apply.
Yeah.
Because
I gotta do that.
I will. I really.
I'll let him know.
I'd imagine it's gonna get resolved because it's one of those. It's a bizarre. So we revoked. Harris County revoked because Michigan revoked because he was charged with the ag assault. So it's a chain of events because the only thing the court sees is that they revoked on the probation, which was caused.
Please let him know that the 14 days hasn't kicked in, and it will not.
It will not kick in.
Resolves.
Right.
And either he resolves the cases.
So which one does he need to resolve first in order for?
Well, for the felon possession of the weapon, there's.
Is there an offer?
No, it's going to trial. That's why it's been reset out. It's been set for jury trial at least
Four times.
4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
5 times. Judge.
Next time is January 6, 2025. But he's held on $55,000 bond for the ag assault and $55,000 for the felon possession. So he has to come up with $110,000 for.
Wait a second. So
it doesn't matter what you did today.
Can't.
Right.
Even if I gave him a bond today, he would still have to make those bonds.
$110,000.
So my question now is, when did that warrant for the felonies pick? Because he's saying he's been out for a year ever since this ag assault got picked up.
I show a remand defendant custody on November 18th, but I don't know what the previous.
So the only reason why his felony bonds got revoked was because Michigan revoked.
Oh no, it doesn't. But we don't know that for sure.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't. There's no notes that reflect why they revoked the bond. It just says court directive remand defendant to custody.
This is where things get legally complicated and dangerous for the defendant. The prosecutor is stacking violations like dominoes, and even technical violations can carry serious weight when someone is on lifetime probation. But here's the twist. If those violations were already addressed by another judge, should they still be used against him now? That's the gray area, and gray areas decide freedom.
Let me see if they give an explanation. Hold on.
Okay.
It's remand custody violation report, but that's not a revocation. Yeah, because
it's a violation report from Michigan?
No. For me, so remember when I said the newest violation was on November 1st for all the curfew violations?
Mm-hmm. Is that from here?
Technically, that could be the reason why they revoked instead of Michigan. I don't know, because I don't have the document. And
Yes.
So.
But he
technically,
hasn't gone out to Michigan to I guess take care of.
For that
the
one, that
current
one
bound
since
violation.
2023, so it would have predated.
I
It
get
just
you.
takes some time for them to do it, which is why I hate it, because they should have waited to file it. But whomever originally had him, well, actually, if he said he was in the courtroom, that happened. Yeah, sheriff's office. So they should have known to wait and file.
I got you. Okay.
Okay, well, I guess reset to track locals. Oh, man.
Don't.
And here's the emotional turning point of the hearing. The judge isn't just weighing statutes anymore. He's reacting to patterns. Notice how the focus shifts from evidence to behavior, tone, and perceived risk. This is where courtroom reality hits hard. Even without a conviction, perception can seal your fate. Do you think the judge is being cautious or crossing into bias? Let's talk about it.
Don't set it to January.
I'm not. When in
So-
December would you like to touch base?
Now, my question now is, does it matter for us to touch base if his locals are gonna be reset far out? What's the
Yeah,
point of?
Yeah, we have to,
If they,
you
if
gotta
they
keep
do like
it.
a plea deal, pre-trial,
Ah,
yeah,
makes sense.
or mid-trial dismissal, because it's Troy Locklear on the one of.
So let's do this. Do you see a date for like a pretrial motion or a pretrial setting for them?
They file a motion.
Highly doubt it,
File a
Judge.
motion. I mean, there's nothing between here and there. Judge Jones, I would be surprised if they set another
Okay.
So if you wanna talk to Troy-
18th, 17th of December?
17th of December.
Finner?
Yeah.
Is it Troy Finner?
No.
Troy Locklear. So hold on,
Oh, yeah.
December 17th.
I don't know. I'll find out.
Yeah,
All right.
okay.
17th or 18th, whichever one of those days works for you, I'm good by it.
I live in this building. You tell me.
And if you have any problems with him, we can bring him back out as far as just tracking locals, meaning that just let him know they revoked the bond. And essentially, the time here is kind of told until he either gets a bond reinstated, post bond, or somehow deals with the case.
Because the bond is set, so if he can come up with the money, he can. But I'll put 17th, and then if you want it sooner or a couple days
Got you.
out, let me know.
Sounds
See you
good.
tomorrow for.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I think
Thank you, Judge.
we are done.
Maybe excuse, Judge.
Oh, my God.